really know who to pick to master next. So I am going to put myself through the hell of mastering barbecue corn. Let's see. What do we want to put on? Is this heat? Is this heat? That is heat, bro. Nah. Maybe? That kind of matches. I like it. Okay, yeah. Hold up. I'm actually cooking. Yeah. Okay, we're dripped out. You want bigger, better butter on. You want reg shuck shot. Gestures. Yeah, we'll take that. And then that one. Alright. Time to play the worst corn. And a very bad character. I do, that is one thing I like about him. He shoots quick as hell. Too bad it takes 2 clips to kill anyone ever. Oh shoot. Good scent, bro. I thought I reloaded, but okay. Good kill. That was... Maybe he's not trash. Oh, I killed him with fire damage, okay. I'm gonna drop that there. Damn, my aim is bad, bro. That was all me. I was just trash there, I'm not gonna lie. Nice. Okay, they got A again. So I guess I'll head over there. That's one thing he's good at. He's good at stealing kills, I'll admit that. Well, but like every fire character is, most of them. He's the only like automatic fire character besides like the all-star version. So I mean, depends how you look at it. Nice. Sorry, bro. Had to. Was out of ammo, man. I didn't want to, okay? Hey, 8 streak, baby. I also got most kills, but surprisingly, did not get that many assists. Maybe it's your mentality, man. Maybe he's not that bad. He's just not as good as he used to be. Great KD. Dude, I don't know what to do, bro. Where'd he go, bro? Damn. Well, I got that guy low, and I got shared for him, so it works. Henry Cavill, bro. How can you be such a fan of Henry Cavill that your gamer tag is him, bro? That's insane, bro. That's gotta be a girl, right? No shot, that's a guy, dog. I'll just throw this over there. Hopefully it hits something. Oh, I'm screwed. Guess what? I got cheese, bud. I got cheese. I can just cheese. Bang, bro. Spam all my abilities. Nice. My bad. I got to, bro. Ow. Nice. Nice, bro. Out the way, dog. Hey, what's up, bro? Oh god, I can't hit him. That was good. I'll toss this. Come on, be a good toss. That's right on. Didn't kill no one though. Assist, man. Just one clip just doesn't do enough, man. Another assist, oh my god. Piss off. Didn't even get that in time. Actually beamed him. Nice. Oh, far. Bro, these ZBGs, guys, calm down. No angles, dog. Nice. Fiction. I thought he was gonna go to revive him. It's more, yep. Thank you, Captain Cannon. Another assist. You know how it is. Oh, we got someone. Nice. Nice. Alright. All-star. Come on. Got a whole clip in him. Okay, good. I got shared. 8 streak right now. Dang, bro, you're low. Rushing out. Oh, chill out, dog. They take some risks sometimes. Good jump shot, bro. He's dead. Sometimes you just know. Nice. Bro, they just camping behind walls and shit, bro. I know I am, but like, I'm a shitty character. I can do it, bro. No, there's so much to walk. That's an assist. Oh my god, of course it is. Average barbecue corn experience. Another assist. I told you this was what it was gonna be like all freaking day, bro. Is that gonna make it? Yeah, it is. Thanks, bro. Fuck off, man. I'm going to the bottom of the fucking leaderboard, bro. Fuck. This character is so shit. And it feels like every time their team sees me, they just all are like, scanning. Found. Everyone fire at him. Like, bro, what the fuck am I supposed to do? No angle, bro. Put everything into this guy, bro. Piss off. What am I supposed to do, man? Fuck! Piss off. Why are you shooting at me, dog? Hey, at least I got a double kill with that. Oh my god. I can't do anything. What is hitting me? This guy over here is. Thanks, bro. That was good. Okay, I can't jump him. Shoot. Gotta reload because I got no fucking ammo. This guy is sitting behind shit every fucking time I see him. Oh, I don't do any damage to a barrel. It's so annoying. So shit. Yeah, I'm trying to get a point. Fuck it. Good push, boys. How can I not hit this fucker, bro? Fuck off. Now, where's he gonna come out of? I missed. 4 damage, bro. Piss off. Die. Thank you, bitch. Sorry, I'm just really pissed off, bro. Like, get out of your parrot, bro. Now I'm gonna get targeted by a pirate all game, so, you know, it's just great. I got a shared for that. Okay. It's always a pleasant surprise when you get shared with this character, man. Ow. I just threw that. I think you get them back on spawn, right? Yeah, you do. So, you know, when you die, you might as well chuck one. That was good. Damn, he's getting beamed out the sky by that sunbeam, bro. Piss off. I don't know what it just hit, but it hit something right in front of me, which pisses me off, bro. Get a shirt on that guy. Piss off. Hey, chill out. Yeah, I'm dead. Kill him. Nice. Piss off, bro. Why are you targeting me, bro? I swear. Oh. I didn't know I killed you 5 times. My bad, dog. My bad. Yeah, they all. Oh, they didn't move out the way. I thought they did. Do this last second again. Reload, reload. I somehow got 33 kills right now. Probably because this match is long as shit. Think on the point and get everyone off of it. Come on. I got one person, bro. I got beamed. Damn, bro. They just said, nah, ain't no one getting this shit, bro, and still on business, bro. God damn. Hey, 33 assists, bro. Hey, at least I got more vanquishes than assists, bro. Okay? That's what matters. Sure, it was by 1, but, like, come on. Put a whole clip in him. Got a share. Damn, why everyone looking at me? Can y'all stop looking at me? Please? Damn, my aim's bad. Still got the kill though. Okay. Yeah, I'll stick on y'all's whole team, bro. I don't care. Thank you, Rose, for getting right in the way, bro. Thank you. I swear. Peek. I don't do damage to a barrel, bro. I do less than 1. My fire damage is more. That's so sad. I don't know what to do here, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kinda fucked. This character is so shit. I could have pressed Y, I guess, but that would have been mean. See if we can effectively camp on top here or what. Nice. What? What? Thanks, bro. Nice. Whoa! Chill! Come on, get in there. Hey, that killed someone. Oh. Nice. Nice. Keep going ham. See if like no one shoots at me, I mean, and I just pick people off. I mean, he's a great character. Low-key, he kind of feeds off of shareds though. Or like getting the end of a kill with fire damage. You know. Nice. Oh, what's up, bro? My bad, dog. You surprised me, man. I had to scum you before you just impunted me and I died. Had to, bro. Damn, my aim is shit. Thank you. Oh my god. Bro, god damn, bro. Dude, they just annihilate us. They just look in my, like, the whole team just looks at me. And I just get fucked. This is terrible. I didn't even get shit for that. Can't do any damage when he's in that, bro. This character's so shit. Damn it. My bad, bro. How the fuck did I win that? Thank you for killing me, bro. Forgot this barbecue corn I did. And that is him. It's a specialist.